Alright, 2012 Chevy Cruze, manual transmission, stick shift. So the transmission was okay, but the shifter was very hard. So we diagnosed that and we find out those cables are bad. I ordered them from dealer. It's about like 150. So all you need to do, take this center console kind of like off and take the shifter knob, just push it out, take the bezel around it out. You have 4 screws, number 10 right here, and this is the cover for that. Take that off, and then after that you have 4 screws down there, number 10 again, and over there. Take them off. So it's kind of loose, as you see. So you have to press this clip right here and there. Release this time these 2 cables, and you have one over here. Just put the big screwdriver and push it out. It's gonna pop back out, and the one more underneath. From the other side of the cable, which is the transmission, what we are gonna do, which I already did, right here, it's off. Okay, it's just like that. It pops back in. So there is a clip, plastic clip. Let me show it to you. Right here, it goes there. You need to use the big screwdriver, like do it that and push it out. When you push it out, it pops back out again. It will pop back out, and then you can just twist it out. The same thing for the bottom one. And then when you get the new one, it goes down there. Take the cover, the boot off, and as I said, when you release from the shifter, take it out from here and put the new one back in there. Make sure you put everything back together, tight the connector, and do everything reverse. That was a quick guide for the transmission shifter knob cable replacement on manual transmission for 2012 Chevy Cruze. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.